Hey everybody, Barry Bales from Bales Farms here. I just want to take a minute and tell you about the new cookbook written by my amazing wife, Allison. She spent a lot of time on this and we think you're going to like it. We're very proud of the finished product. So here's the cover. We are excited about all the things that are in it. Lots of recipes. Forward by the great Miss Dolly Parton. Did I say Dolly Parton? There's all kinds of recipes in here. There are 74, I think, to be exact. We have appetizers, we have cocktails, we have soups, mains, sides, desserts, breakfast. There are things such as kitchen and larder essentials, which a larder is stocking your pantry to get through the winter. And especially in these days with the pandemic and the empty shelves in the grocery store, that is very important. So there's lots of great tips in here on things to keep on hand. Great pictures. Jalapeno popper dip, that's one of my favorites. Many recipes, great color pictures. I can't say enough about it. I know I'm associated with it, but I'm very proud of how it turned out. So get on our website, balesfarmstn.com, and you can order it, and we can ship it to you anywhere in the continental United States, or you can pick it up at any of our normal delivery locations, or you can come to the farm and see us and visit and pick it up here. Makes a great, unbelievable Christmas gift, and it's probably within the price range of most people's families. You know, you're like, okay, well, I'm going to go get Uncle Joe a pullover from the Gap. He doesn't want another pullover. Get him this. It's going to be great. So, perfect gift. Thanks for the time. Love y'all. Stay safe. See you soon.